everybody, my name's Ciara and welcome to my channel. On this channel, we like to create beautiful pieces of artwork, just like this fan here. So if you're into that, then keep on watching. I got this fan at a Korean store called Daiso for 1,000 won, and I thought it would be really fun to customize it. In the summertime, it gets really hot here in Korea, and fans are a great accessory and they're essential to help you stay cool. I have a few of my own fans that I bought in the past that I'm just going to use as a reference during the video.
I'm a wreck, crash at my place, baby you're a wreck. Needless to say, I'm keeping her checked. She was all bad, nevertheless. Calling it quits now, baby I'm a wreck. Crash at my place, baby you're a wreck. Thinking in a bad way, losing your grit. Screaming at my face, baby don't trip. Someone took a big L, I know how that felt. Looking at you sideways, party on tilt. Ooh, some things I just can't refuse. She wanna ride me like a cruise, and I'm not trying to lose. Left in the dust, unless I stuck by you. You're the sunflower. I think your love would be too much. Oh, you'll be left in the dust, unless I stuck by you. You're the sunflower. You're the sunflower. Every time I'm leaving on you, you don't make it easy, no, no. Wish I could be there for you. Give me a reason to. Oh, every time I'm walking out, I can hear you telling me to turn around. Fighting for my trust and you won't back down. Even if we gotta risk it all right now. Oh, no, you're scared of the unknown. You don't wanna be alone. I know I always come and go, but it's out of my control. Then you left in the dust, unless I stuck by you. You're the sunflower. I think your love would be too much. Oh, you'll be left in the dust, unless I stuck by you.
Okay, so here is the final product. You guys have probably already guessed that I based this off of the song Sunflower from Spiderman Into the Spiderverse. I love this movie, you guys. I love everything about it. Spider-Gwen is like my twin. Ever since this movie came out, I have been obsessed with it. Me and my husband watch it on Netflix. Now that it's on Netflix, we're so happy for it. And I really enjoy how these turned out. The pink and blue kind of blended together and it just worked out so great. I love the spider webs and the sunflowers and just everything about these designs. So anyways guys, that's the video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give it a like, and if you liked me, make sure you subscribe. I would really appreciate it. So that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Love.